if you caught that on the video, but it hit my arm and went right back into drilling.
Right there, I heard it.
And that hurt my forearm. If that wouldn't have been there, that would have been my teeth. I guess I could get up a little bit. If I get up, I don't have the same exact leverage to give that shimmy to really kind of cut through this whole nice.
That last little bit. Oh, he got it. And those metal ones, they're a tight cut.
It's a pretty tight cut. And I can see there's a nail right here. So we got, I'm going to be going through 3 plates. So you know I'm going through plate, 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 and half a truss over here. So it's a pretty tough hole. And there's a couple, oh, and there's some siding nails coming in too. So this is
So
a lot we're going through here.
we won on the layout, got eaten on the nails. But that's why you get the metal whole hogs. Got him.
Got it.
That's to separate humans from animals. Tools. See the light? Yep. All right.
We got a nice, beautiful hole here for our 3-inch waist.